Hi there, in this video I'll be introducing you to the different types of funnels that you can create in ClickFunnels. This video is created with the assumption that you have already planned out what kind of funnels that you want to create and the objective, and you have some familiarity with funnels. So all your funnels can be accessed through on the top here, whereby you can create a new funnel, or for easier access just click on this button, Add New Funnel. And when you click on Add New Funnel, it's a three-step process where first you've got to choose your goal, then you choose the type, then you build the funnel. Under goals, there are three goals. You could either collect emails, sell your product, or host a webinar, or if you know exactly what kind of funnel that you want to create, or you have an existing funnel that you have seen online, or you want to model your competitors, just click on this button, Create a Custom Funnel. So under Collect Emails, it's a two-step funnel, and a two-step funnel, you can read more about it on the right-hand side, the right section over here. The first two steps are Email Landing Page and a Thank You Download Page. Email Landing Page is also known as a squeeze page or an opt-in page. And there is a short sentence explaining about what this funnel is all about. You could also watch the explainer video for more information. So let's go back. And in Sell Your Product, there's a sales funnel, product launch, and if you want to create a membership site, you can also create it over here. Sales funnel sells your product after collecting leads on your squeeze page, and a product launch is a series of videos that leads towards your product launch. It can be an ebook, a program, or a video module. A membership site is more unique, whereby it is members-only access, and you can also do that through ClickFunnels. Let's go on to the next goal, which is host a webinar. In hosting a webinar, you have two types. One is a live webinar, and the next one is a webinar replay. In live webinar, you can sell your products after collecting your leads with a squeeze page. In a webinar replay, let's say you've done a training program or a live webinar where the results are really awesome. Really great, your attendees to the webinar are very responsive, and if you are doing personal development, there are some breakthroughs and you don't want to spend time doing the same thing over and over again, or having the same webinar over and over again. So what you can do is the training once. You do the live webinar once, and then you choose this funnel and you showcase the reply of the webinar for an evergreen lead generation. And there you have it, an introduction and overview of the funnels that are offered by ClickFunnels, and don't forget you can also create your custom funnel by clicking on this button. Just to recap, first you have to understand what your goals are, understand what kind of funnels that you want to create, and then click on Add New Funnel. And you can click on the goal that you want, which is either collect emails, sell your product, or host a webinar.